Hi, so I have this problem on the board that's looks a little scary. We have radicals and exponents on the radicals and all kinds of stuff happening. So let's get started and see how we simplify this. So what I'm going to do, the first thing I notice is 27, we could actually be rewritten as 3 cubed. And 729 can be rewritten as 3 to the 6th. So that's how we can get a common base there. And I'm pretty sure that's going to be important later. Now next what I can do is we can take this exponent here and we can just multiply it inside our parentheses. So we're going to end up with, we'll just write this out like this. And then from here, what we can do is we can kind of clean this up a little bit and combine those. So multiplying square root of 3 and square root of 3 to the 5th is just going to be a square root of 3 to the 6th. And we'll just bring this piece down. We're not changing that right now. We have our 3 to the 6th, and then we'll do the same thing over here. Just multiplying inside the radical, adding exponents. We have, this is going to be 3 to the 8th. Now when we have inside the radical, instead of square root, sorry, if we have an even number, we can just take half of it. So in other words, if we have some number like this in a radical, pretty clear that we can just rewrite this as a perfect square. And then this is just going to be a to the b. So in the case where we have 3 to the 6, we could write that, because it's even, we could write that as 3 to the 2 times 3, which is the same thing as 3 cubed squared. So this is actually going to just be 3 cubed. So here we end up with 3 cubed to the 3 cubed. And then similarly, we'll do the same thing here with 3 to the 8th. We'll do it a little quicker though. This can be rewritten as 3 to the 4th, which is 81 squared. But then when we take the square root of that, we just get back our 3 to the 4th. So this one we can write as 3 to the 6th times 3 to the 4th. Now, you know what I'm going to do? We'll leave this base as 3, but on this, we're going to rewrite that as this 3 cubed, we're going to write as 27. And this one is going to be 81. Okay, we're getting close. So then now the way we have this parentheses here, if we didn't have parentheses, you couldn't do this. If you had this, you'd actually have to get 3 to the 27th, which is a huge number. But in this case, we can just multiply like so. And this is going to be 3 to the 81. And this is going to be, this one, 6 times 81 is 486. And then because we have the same base, we can just add exponents now. And so we'll have 81 plus 486. And so for our final answer, we get 3 to the 567. And that's our answer.